Imagine a week-long adventure in one of the most beautiful places on Earth, celebrating nature and the outdoors with family, friends, and people just like yourself. At Family Nature Summits, we bring together local experts and our nationally known faculty to create high-quality, hands-on outdoor experiences for people of all ages and diverse backgrounds. Every year, our summits are held in a new location. Family Nature Summits is excited to once again offer scholarship opportunities for this year's summit, and we hope you'll help us make it the best year yet. With our scholarship program, we're able to provide educational opportunities and important community outreach, allowing people to experience the outdoors like they have never imagined it before. This is why our scholarship program is so important. Through your donations, we're able to offer an amazing week of nature and fun for local students and educators who would otherwise be unable to attend. It's a one-of-a-kind experience, and attendees return home with a new sense of responsibility and understanding about the natural world around them, and they're excited to go home and share that with their family, friends, and community. We encourage you to visit us at www.familynaturesummits.org to receive more information and help us reach our goals with this year's scholarship program. Your support will help us continue to provide the high-quality programs you've come to expect from Family Nature Summits.